How to add friends in Discord. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Discord and log into your account. And once you do that, click on the waving person icon at the bottom left of the screen. Here you are on the friends section of Discord. As you can see, it tells you try adding a friend with their username or scan to see who is nearby. So click on the button that says add friend. And as mentioned, you will have two options to add friends in Discord. The first one is username. So once you are in the username tab, you can see it tells you add your friend on Discord. You will need both their username and a tag. Keep in mind that username is case sensitive. So in this field right here, you will enter your friend username and tag. As you can see, this is your username and tag. You will enter your friend username just like this. And once you do that, say for example, I will enter mine just for the sake of giving you guys an example. Once you do that, click on send friend request and the friend request will be sent to your friend. The second option is the nearby scan. As you can see, it tells you that it's scanning the airwaves, and it tells you make sure your friends are on this page and scanning too, so you will find each other if your friends are scanning in this page too. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add Discord friends. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.